Today, we'll show you how to change.
First, we'll take the wheel off. Empty 2 smaller bolts holding the caliper. Then we'll take the pads off. 2 bigger bolts that's holding on the caliper bracket. Grab a flathead, remove the old clips. Clean up the bracket with a wide brush. Grease up the new pads and the slide pin of the caliper. And put it back in gently until we break the rubber. Grease up the bracket, put the new clips on. Reassemble the bracket with the 2 bigger bolts. Compression tool, push the piston back in. Put the new pads on and gently wiggle the caliper back in place. Reinstall the 2 smaller bolts, ensure everything's tight, put the wheels on, and that's how we